independent and hungry. Stack up the money, sit on it. I'm bagging up my opponents. I'm taking groups out who want it. I'm laying up with a rider. Can't lay up with a recycle. I'm smoking weed cause I like it. You hate the weed, you can't buy it. Came in the game on a mission. Fuck you and your recognition. Bitch, I don't miss it, I probably won't kiss it. You gotta be here, fuck around, make it dizzy. Lyrics so crispy, she got me on play on the pill in the kitchen. I already hit it, don't fuck with my patience, I'm really unlimited. Baby, why you acting sensitive? I'm high as fuck, high up in the hills. The feels of this shit might give you chills. I'm rolling with a bitch on the jet, don't spill. These niggas better keep they talking still. Fuck a piece, made art, Mona Lisa. Why these niggas watch me, but never stop me? I'ma go ahead, ride to the top. Niggas wanting me to fall, but I don't see a drop. Bitch, it's a breakdown, shakedown. Make the whole video, cut the lights, shut the place down. I'ma fuck around, get a brand new place now. I'm looking back, never could've stayed in my own Deuce house. Looking at me like, what a nigga do now? Smoking weed, fucking hoes, nothing new now. Doing songs, couple shows, nothing much though. Now I be damn.